turn on Bluetooth on Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, you will see an option Bluetooth and Devices. Tap on it. Simply toggle this Bluetooth on and then the devices that are available will appear over here. If you want to add a device, go to Add Device, select Bluetooth, and then all the it will scan and then show all the devices that are available and that are and in which Bluetooth is turned on. Simply select the device that you want to pair, confirm pairing, and then your device will be paired via Bluetooth to another device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.